Muslim English Language Institute. Listen to the dialogue about a stick-up using the same idioms in the English translation. Freeze.
Stop where you are.
This is a stick-up.
This is a robbery.
Take all the money from the cash register and hand it over.
Take all the money from the cash register and give it to me.
And no funny business.
And don't do anything suspicious.
One false move and watch out.
One foolish attempt to escape and be careful of the consequences.
I'll let you have it.
I'll give you what you deserve.
Okay, chill out.
Okay, relax.
I don't have any money here. It is all in the safe.
I don't have any money here. It's all in the safe.
Give it a rest.
I don't believe it.
I know you have money in your drawer.
I know you have money in your drawer.
You're asking for trouble.
You're asking for trouble.
Can it?
Be quiet.
This is the police.
This is the police.
Get your hands in the air.
Put your hands above your head.
Now drop and spread them.
Now move your body to the ground quickly and spread your legs apart.
Move it.
Hurry up.
Let's cuff him.
Let's put handcuffs on him.